go ahead and hop into some Kaspa news. So this is their X account and it has just over 190,000 followers. They just posted a few days ago more activity in Africa. Follow Jay, our Kenyan ambassador to 10 campuses, as he and others share the good news of Kaspa with students, crypto enthusiasts, and businesses. And then if you'd like to support these endeavors, consider contributing to the CMF. The address is in the footer of the site, but regardless, it's a great thing to see that Kaspa is getting its name out there and they are trying to reach all around the globe. And then they posted January 12th good news. On-ramp money brings seamless access to Kaspa for users across all of these countries. Any integration with an on-ramp solution is going to be bullish for a project, because that's one of the biggest things that a lot of governments are going after, is the on and off ramps for crypto. They want to make it grueling for people to get in and out of cryptocurrency. And then lastly, what Kaspa reposted on January 11th. So Kraken posted a new perpetual life, and that was Kaspa. Now I will say it does appear to be only futures, so we'll see if they end up listing Kaspa's spot. But regardless, that's still pretty bullish news. But now we'll get into some macro news that could affect Kaspa's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Kaspa. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter. Now I'll first talk about what they posted a few days ago. So BlackRock now holds over 25,000 bitcoins, worth over 1.6 billion for their spot Bitcoin ETF. And that is a pretty good amount. This is one of the biggest reasons I was hyping up the Bitcoin spot ETFs for a long time. And that is because BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager. And think about it, every time Watcher Guru posts something like this, it has 270,000 views in 1 hour. That is a bunch of people who are seeing the world's largest asset manager holding Bitcoin.
Hello, YouTube. It's BTM here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And how come I can't get 270,000 views an hour? Just want to throw that out there. Just happy Tuesday. And from what they're saying here about the Bitcoin ETF and how that went down, and we thought it would be a price mover, but it looked like these guys were ready and they sold their bags as soon as everything popped. So they kind of set us up for that one, but it's okay. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Continue to diamond hand, and our day is coming. So just keep holding. Let's push over to Twitter, and this is Jim Ski Bum. You know, they did Bitcoin ETF at the perfect level to unload their bags, right? Do we actually live in a simulation? That's why I open every YouTube video of mine with the line from The Truman Show with Jim Carrey. And he's right. Like they just mentioned, literally as soon as the ETF popped, they sold off. And that's kind of why Bitcoin and the entire crypto market is down now, right? They already had it planned. I guess they had their little Telegram or Discord or Reddit page set up, and as soon as it popped, they sold. So no worries there. Remember, diamond handed, guys. Jim Ski Bum, Bitcoin is at 318 Fibonacci, no surprise. Powder report for the win. You can get a link to Discord by signing to the Jim Ski Bum Trading. And this is not financial advice, nor am I telling you to sign up. I'm just reading the Twitter posting and trying to get some information here. Nothing has changed for me. Still 100% cash. I haven't sold any that I've been accumulating since 0.005. So I guess hey penny, or a little bit under 5 cents. Long-term mindset. Easiest strategy, in my opinion, to accumulate before Bitcoin is setting new highs. Also avoiding short-term capital gain tax by holding 1 year plus, which I didn't know that, but that's smart, right? If you hold it for a while, you do want to try to stay ahead of that capital gains, because once it pops, it's going to run like crazy. And when it does, you want to make sure you have your taxes set. So if you want to consult with a tax advisor or an accountant to let you know ahead of time, I actually worked with mine, and they do have the information. And there's actually a form you can fill out, but I don't want to get too technical. But make sure you check with your accountant or a tax advisor before crypto starts to take off. If not, you're probably going to get hit with a lot of taxes and penalties. But moving forward, pretty convinced that Kaspa will trend up over the next couple of years, regardless of micro or what BTC does. It's undervalued in terms of market cap. And this is the Kaspa enthusiast. Buy when there's blood in the streets, Baron Rothschild. And I've heard that quote several times, and I do agree, like I've been telling you guys. You buy on the red days. When the price is down, people are selling. That's when you're going to get the best deals. And a lot of people look at crypto or just look at stocks in general, and they're like, oh, this is up 1,000%. Let me buy. No, you don't buy when it's up. You buy when it's down, and you make money when it's up. And when it's up, you sell it, right? That's kind of how it works. So I know a lot of you guys are new to crypto or new to investing. So I just want to help you, right? A lot of this channel came from a lot of the information from crypto where you get bad information or you get it late. So the retail investor gets dumped on. So I want to kind of help you guys navigate through the crypto market and kind of understand what to do and what not to do. So let me know if you have any other advice, put in the comments, and let me know what you think about buying on red versus buying on green, or just any other basic advice. I'm not saying financial advice, just basic advice. This is BTC Daily, and you can see here Blur and Bonk has been listed on Binance Spot after being listed on Binance Futures. What will the next project to watch be? The project recently listed on Binance Futures, UST, Terra Luna, Pi Network, Cas Currency, and Token. And you can see here, Kaspa's right there as well. So if you can see here, the Kaspa was listed on Binance for futures in November. Yeah. So we're trying to, I guess, equate Blur listed as futures, then it became spot, and Bonk listed as futures and then spot. And then Kaspa is listed. So it looks like it's next on the list. But there's a lot of speculation for the next step for Kaspa and when Kaspa is going to be listed on a tier one exchange. That's going to be the next catalyst to send Kaspa pumping or to the moon, right? I don't want to be a moon boy, and you guys are, everybody's like, don't be moon boys, and you're moon boys, and you're hyping. I'm not hyping anything. I'm just telling you guys the next catalyst would be for a tier one listing. We've been looking, we've been checking, and I haven't seen anything yet. So again, just be patient and remember, Kaspa. We're gonna get there, guys. Too many people are talking about Kaspa. The Kaspa project is too good, too well put together, and too much positive impact on crypto. So just be patient. Things will work out, right? Just don't overhype it and don't get carried away. This is the Kaspa enthusiast. Crypto market is nice and quiet. Many newcomers are unsettled by planned Bitcoin sales, but otherwise it's very pleasant in my opinion. Kaspa is hovering perfectly over 10 cents and building a good base for new highs. Sooner or later this quarter, I expect events to happen. I expect that the drive to Kaspa price up again. Spot listing on Binance, OKX, but also Kraken and Gemini would be conceivable. Be prepared. So, as that mentioned, I think we're literally just talking about that. So, at some point when they do list, that's what we need to wait for, right? Stop getting hyped up and running around, having people tell you it's going out, it's disappearing, it's over. Don't listen to the FUD. Just hang in there, guys. And this is blockchain media, which is one serious growth potential. Which one has serious growth potential? You can see clearly I don't know why you keep putting KDA on here, or why people are even talking about KDA or Zillow or whatever this XDC is. Clearly, Kaspa is the winner with 72.9%. Again, clearly, Kaspa is the best thing smoking in crypto. Just relax. And this is Wolfie. And thanks to Bitcoin covering Kaspa currency. We appreciate it. And I think this is Jim Skibum again. Cas is actually what Elon Musk has been waiting on the whole time for payments on X, and it makes sense. But for some reason, there's like a anti-sentiment against Kaspa, or people just can't hear the noise, or people just aren't listening. I don't know what's going on, but it seems like Kaspa would solve a lot of these problems, but nobody's listening. So again, be patient. It's proof of work like Dodge, but running on 10 blocks per second. Scalable, stateless money, fair launch. Can ratchet up transaction speed with the speed of the internet, making the future proof. And this is block size, steadily increasing, thinking, and then cash. So I don't know, guys. I'm not going to rant and rave all day. I'm just trying to get you this information. This is Kaspa enthusiast. These Kaspa use cases may seem like science fiction now, but in the fast-paced world of technology, 10 years can bring incredible changes. I'm not saying these examples will become reality. They are just ideas for what's possible on Cas once it has smart contracts and 100 BPS and more. Real-time global money transfers, decentralized finance, smart contracts for Internet of Things, digital identity and privacy, revolutionary supply chain management. Uh, these examples have one in common: huge amounts of fast, secure, cheap, decentralized transactions are needed, so perfect for Kaspa. And again, these are even more use cases that for some reason nobody's picking up or nobody's talking about. But when it does hit mainstream and people start talking about it, things are going to explode. So, with all that being said, moving forward, so I was looking at another video, and this guy's comparing Kaspa and Solana. So if Kaspa were to hit the current price of Solana, which is 83.18, which is down from $100, I should have waited to buy Solana, but I'm probably going to buy some more since the price is down. Remember to DCA in. This is not financial advice. Solana's price now. So if you had 50,000 Kaspa, I'm not saying I do, but just theoretically for the numbers, it matches. So 50,000 Kaspa at 83.18, you'll have $80,026. That's a rise of 16.68x. And if we look at the all-time high for Solana, that would be a market cap. I guess it was 200 and something. It's weird they don't show you what the all-time high is. So again, if we have 50,000 Kaspa, that would be a 35.5x, and that would net you $171,000. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just me going over some numbers with you guys. So let me know what you think, if this makes sense to you, and if you understand why you need to continue to hold. But this is just some good information for you guys on this Tuesday. Moving forward, this is Kaspa's current price. Kaspa's at 9.6 cents, down 3.2. Market cap rank is 40. Market cap is 1.2 billion, so we're down from 3 billion to 2.5 billion, down to 2.1 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 26,000. Circulating supply is 22.4 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. And CoinGecko, for some reason, moved around their layout, which I don't like, but hey, whatever. Nobody's listening to what I'm saying anyway, but I'm just putting that out there. So this is 24-hour range is 0.93 cents to 10.0 cents. 7-day range is 9.3 cents to 11.2 cents. All-time high is 15.2. We're down 37.5% from the all-time high. Moving forward, this is coin ranking. Coin ranking has Kaspa at 37 at 9.7 cent market cap ranking of 2.1 billion. So we're down. We've been sliding down slowly but steadily. A lot of people have been selling out. So just keep holding, and a better day is coming, guys. So don't forget, for all the Caspians and the Kaspa army and Kaspa, just hang in there. And this is the Kaspa dashboard. Current petahash is 157 petahash is the hash rate. 78.12% has been mined. Next reduction is 12 days down to 131 cash per block reward. These reductions seem like they're coming faster and faster. I don't know. TPS is 1. BPS is 1. Current price is 9.5 cents. We're down 4.5%. 24-hour trading line is 29.4 million. Market cap is 2.1 billion. Ranking is 38. Moving forward to coin market cap. Coin market cap says we're at 9.6 cent, down 2.4%. Market cap is 2.1 billion, down 2.67%. 24-hour volume is up 46.3% to 29 million. And actually, let me go back. We didn't look at the top addresses. I just want to check out the price movement here. This is 333,000, so we're definitely losing more addresses. Crabs in the last 24 hours is down 0.9%. Octopus is down 0.9%. Fish is down 0.5%. So you guys are selling like it's a fire sale. I'm not sure why, but do what works for you, right? This is not financial advice. If you need to sell it, you need the money, or if you're moving to another altcoin, more power to you. But just kind of weird you would sell now while it's down, or maybe you got in when it was under 5 cents or under a cent. So it's still profitable for you. So do whatever you need to do for your personal finance. Looks like in the last hour, crabs down 0.1%. Last 7 days, sharks is up 0.5%. No movement with dolphins. Dolphin is up 0.1% in the last 24 hours. No movement 24 hours with shark, whale, or humpback. So we'll go look at the top addresses here, and we'll click the display only address with balance change in the last 24 hours. Looks like this address added 7 million. Gate.io lost 8.2 million. Mexi lost 3.2 million. Uphold added 1.4 million. Mexi added 10 million, which is nothing because they're just moving their stuff around the wallets. I'm not 100% sure why. If you have any information about that, put in the comments sections. Mexi also moved 8.8 million, so about 18 million, give or take. BitGet is down 291,000. This other one is up 960,000. Chain Finance is down 100. I'm not even sure why they've been tracking that. And BitGet is down 1.6 million. So if we go back and look, looks like this address did have no activity, and this address had no activity. So that's interesting as well. So let me know if you guys are seeing any patterns or anything else in the addresses. I think we've already looked at coin market cap. So down to live coin watch, market cap is 2.1 billion. Volume is 102.2 million. Last hour, it's up 0.41%. Last 24 hours is down 2.59%. Last 7 days, it's down 13.9. Last 30 days, it's down 9.82. 90 days, it's down 91.9. And for the year, it's up 1,000. Sorry, last 90 days, it's up 92.02. Last year's up 1,458%. And 24-hour low is 9.3 cents. 24-hour high is 10.1 cents. And if you can see here, for the last 12 months, it's been up, right? It's not like this is a flat market and it's been down the whole time. If you can see here, the RSI is relatively flat. And looks like for RSI, it kind of tried to create a double bottom, but then the price pulled back and the price action is down. So with the price action being down, at some point we need that to get back above the 21-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. Once that happens, we can expect a green candle. But until we get back over that 50-day moving average, I don't think there's much going on here. And you can see the MACD crossed and we lost some more volume. So let me know what you think, or when do you think Kaspa's going to start to pump again? And let's look at the 4-hour chart real quick. And in the 4-hour chart, looks like it's getting back at that golden level and looks like it dropped below there. So it looks like we're going to push on down. Hopefully we can stay in the 9s and not push down to this next resistant band at, what is this? 9 or 8.9 or further down to that 8.1. So hopefully with the volume decreasing and RSI flat, we might be able to get an RSI push and start to bounce back up. So let's look at the crypto bubbles real quick. If you can see, pretty much we're all red. SCI is up 5.4%. Mariah's up 1%. Pool player ball is up 9.7. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right. If I didn't, sorry. ADA is down 4.6. Pepe's down 5.4. Son's down 4.3. Polymatic's down 5.5. Deutsch is down 6.6. Monero's down 2.8. Ethereum's down 6.6. Uniswap is down 6.4. KDA is down 6. XE Helium is down 9.5. Kaspa's down 2.6. Link's down 5.4. Litecoin, which has been in the news a little bit, is down 4.2. And Helium is down 4.8. Beam's down 2.6. And XRP is down 3.7. But I don't want to hold you guys all day. We went through the numbers, went through the crypto and other news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's get these comments going again. We were on a roll for a minute. Price went down and everybody disappeared. So shout out to the Kaspa Army. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. And let's get back to the money.